Today I want to teach you the poem that is I Want Peace, as children. So the title of the poem is I Want Peace, as children. In the title, I refers to the earth, as children. So in that three poems given, children, three poems given. Now I shall read each poem and I explain you, as children. First poem. I am big and round, I wonder if there will be sorrow. I hear the sound of the people who are being killed. I see the people crying for life. I want to help the poor people. Poor people. As children, the first line, children, the first line of the poem, I am big and round. So who is the big and round here? In that poem, wherever you see I, it refers the earth, children. So the earth itself tells children, I am big and round. So in this line, who is big and round? The earth. The earth is big and round. Yes, children, the earth is big. Wherever you go, the land you can find. So the earth is big and round. What is the shape of the earth? Here, not according to social studies. Generally, in general you say the shape of the earth is round and it is big. Next, I wonder if there will be peace, as children. If means whether. That means not sure, not sure. I wonder, the earth feels wonder if there will be peace. It means there is no peace on the earth. Suppose if it is there peace on the earth feels wonder, children, wonder. It means there is no peace on the earth. Third line. I hear the sound of the people who are being killed. I hear the sound of the people who are being killed. Day by day, the most of the people are dying, children, because of so many reasons. So many people are dying because of starvation. That means that is the condition of the lack of food. Most of the people they don't have food to eat. So that is also it is the most important reason for the people of killing. As children, so most of the people they are being killed. So the sounds I hear. Who hear? The earth hear. What the earth hear? The sounds of the people who are being killed. Who are being killed. Next, I see the people crying for life. I want to help the poor people. I see the people crying for life. As children, it means the people they want to live, but they are not able to live. They are unable to live. They are dying. Day by day, most of the people are dying because of starvation. Starvation means that is the condition of lack of food. Lack of okay. So I want to help the poor people, as children. The youth feels that the youth wants to help the poor people. So the youth, what is that? It feels the youth feels kind towards the poor people because most of the people they are dying because of lack of food. As children, so that is the condition of the people on the earth. So the earth is pity towards the poor people. So the earth, I refers to earth. So earth want to help the poor people. That is the first poem, children. Second poem. I am big and round, I feel the weight of sorrow on me. I touch the feeling of the people. I worry about the future of the people on me. I cry for help from God. Yes, children. Second poem. I am big and round. Who is big and round here? The earth is big and round. So I feel the weight of sorrow on me. I feel. That means that the earth feel the weight of sorrow on me. In the above line, me refers to earth. I weight of sorrow. That means most of the people, not less people, most of the people, they feel weight of sorrow. That means most of the people, 80% of the people, they are children in the above and me refers to youth. So I feel the weight of the sorrow. Weight of the sorrow means it's more on the earth. What is more? Sorrow. The people they feel sorrow. Most of the people, sorrow means sad. Most of the people were sad because of so many different reasons. So everyone have problems. So most of the people they are sad children. That's why the youth also is in sad mood. Next, I touch the feelings of the people. I touch the feelings of the people means most of the people they are facing so many problems. Everyone is in sad mood. That's why their feelings it touches to the youths. It touches to the youths. As children, it simply indicates youth feels sorry towards the poor people. It's worrying about the conditions of the poor people. Next, I worry about the future of the people on me. I worry about the future of the people on me.
Yeah.
Okay, children. So I worry about the future of the people on me. Yes, children. So the youth. The youth. Yes, children. The youth is worrying about the people of the future of the people. Why? Because what is that? Nowadays, the most of the people they are suffering. They are starving. They have so many different problems. So they are not happy. So what about their future? I mean, what is the day by day number of trees decreasing? So there is no food. There is no sufficient food. So nowadays, what is the number of trees better? Although they have insufficient number, the most of the people they are suffering. They are suffering. So if it is continue like that, not only that. So day by day, people, what is the most of the people they are hacking the trees. So we are not the food definitely in the future it doesn't sufficient. So on the timber, most of the people who depends it is difficult for them. And we are getting oxygen from the trees. So when we have less trees, then it is difficult for oxygen. It is difficult for food. So everything is problem, children. That's why the earth is thinking about the future of the people. Next, I cry for help from God. Yes, the earth is worrying about the people condition. So it is what is that? It cries for the help from the God. That means the earth is praying to God. The earth is praying God that please, so save my child. So please provide food for them. So what is that? So like that, the earth is what is that? Expressing the earth's sorrow to the God as children. So that is about second poem, children. So when it comes to third poem, I am big and round. I understand the people. I understand the problems of the people on me. I say grace for all people. I dream about my past. I try to handle my sorrow. I hope I won't be destroyed. I am big and round. I am big and round. As children, the youth, it's telling that I am big and round. I am big and round. In the above and I refers to the earth. I am big and round. I understand the problems of the people on me. In the above and me refers to earth. As children, it means most of the people they have so many problems. I can understand their problems. So who is telling like that? The earth is telling like that. I say grace for all the people. Here grace means pity. Pity. So I am pitiful towards the people. Next, I dream about my past. I dream about my past. I mean, in the past, it is better compared with present. Compare with present. Now most of the people they are facing so many problems, but in the past not like that. Everything it would be better. No people hacked the trees. No people cut the trees. So what is that? Once upon a time, people less, land more. But nowadays, people more, land less. Not only that, once upon a time the number of trees more, but nowadays number of trees less. Even what is that? Cultivate lands also they are turning to be the real estate. So in the place of fields, they are constructing buildings. So as a result, what is that? The conditions are turning as children. So everyone they are facing so many problems, children. Okay, so actually we have sufficient in the past. Then to the people sufficient lands are there. So to the people sufficient food is there. To the people sufficient oxygen is there. But nowadays not like that, children. So what is that? Everywhere vehicles, everywhere pollution. There is no fresh air. So because of starvation, because of health conditions, because of so many problems, the people they are facing so many problems on the earth. So by seeing those problems, the youth is worrying about the poor people. Actually it wants to help the poor people. It prays to the God to solve their problems. But whatever it may be, I dream about my past. Compared with past, no conditions are worst. I mean, in the past, the conditions are better. So I try to handle my sorrow. So everywhere sorrow. Sorrow is nothing but sad. So grieve. Yes, children. So I try to handle my sorrow. I hope I won't be destroyed. I hope I won't be destroyed. The youth is hoping that she won't be destroyed. I mean, everywhere pollution, children, everywhere pollution. So the land pollution, air pollution, water pollution, everything is pollution, everything is polluted. So here the earth is hoping that the earth won't be polluted, it won't be destroyed. Why it is expecting like that? Nowadays, what is that? To get crops, they are using what is the chemicals they are using for better product. But the farmers are negative. The farmers they are not realizing that to get more crop they are using chemicals. As a result, what is that? The earth is destroying the fertility. The fertility of the land day by day decreasing, children. As a result, it is getting what is that? It is turning as dry lands as children. So it is polluting in the future the lands once upon a time from which we got a lot of what is that crop. In the future we may not get because of these chemical usage, children. That's why the youth hopes that it won't be destroyed. So I'm big and round. So children, the total lesson is about the youth is worrying about the conditions of the people on the earth. Yes, children. So no one is happy. Everyone is in sorrow. So it is wishing that it will be better in the future. It will be better in the future. So that is the title, children. I want peace. It means there is no peace on the earth. That's why the earth want peace, children. That is the title of the poem. This is the class for today. Thank you, Ananda.